Nana say bag-ong Korean cafe ang nag-abli diri sa Cebu. Aside from its beautiful and cozy ambience, lami pa jud kay pagkaon diri guys. And this is Ele Morish, located at Latitude Corporate Center at bang jud sa Insular Life and dapit ra jud sa Ayala, San Cebu. And by the way, this is a 2-story cafe guys, and nindot kaayo diri kay naa sila wifi and pwede ra jud mo mag-study or magtrabaho. And laisyo kay diri guys, when it comes to ordering of foods, you just need to scan the code and makita lang nimo tanan nilang menus. And here's the exciting part. These are all the foods that we tried and tasted. We started the meal with a corn soup, such a warm appetizer, and it was creamy and flavorful. Next is the burrata garden salad. Ganahan kay ko ani guys because it's fresh, na siya olive oil and balsamic dressing, and it's very healthy. And for our main entree, we had honey glazed sea bass and pork chop steak na lami kaayo, and I so love the sauces. And for our drinks, we had blue virgin mojito and this Pacific Ocean na grabe ka healthy kaayo. And nag-order po mi silang coffee, and we tried their pour over shantawini. And for dessert, we had their mini ube cake. It was very delightful and balanced for ang sweetness. Overall, we truly had an amazing dining experience diri sa Ele Morish, and for sure mobalik jud mi diri. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit Ele Morish, and salamat sa pagtan-aw.